Good morning and welcome to today's daily vlog. Don't really know how else I can change that intro. Maybe as vlogs get better, they'll get better. But anyway, let's have a little weather check. As it was quite nice this morning, the window cleaner's been. But let's have a quick look at how it's doing out here. Grey sky, cloudy, windy by the looks of the tree. But yeah, it's quite nice weather earlier. You take Molly in the garden, get bits sorted for the day. Need to do a few bits online as well, so I'm going to get on and do the bits that I need to get done. And then I'm going to take Molly for a walk, and then I'll be back after that. So we've just got back from our walk. Molly is just here. Eyo. Hup. She is just there. Are you smiling? So yeah, I've got to go online now and do a few bits that I need to get done online. And then I think I'm going to do the southern fried chicken tonight for dinner. Isn't really that other much else to do. Got some better dinners coming in the shopping for next week, but they don't come till Friday. And it's now, I think it's Wednesday. Yeah, have a look. Yeah, it's Wednesday the 16th. So that's good. I managed to last night, managed to get some to find some clips for this intro sequence. So I probably need to find a few more. I think I found a good few that I need to like chop up and everything for them, because they're from earlier vlogs like last year or the year before. And yeah, I need to sort of like take them into my video editor and then chop them up and use little bits from each one. I think I've got about 8 clips that I can get. More, take a couple of from each to make this intro. And then I'll just use music from the YouTube audio library. The music won't be great. Eventually I'd like to start using epidemic sound. But yeah, I'll probably start using that next year when I start making a bit more money. Because you have to pay a monthly fee for that, and then you get unlimited music. I think you get sound effects as well. So yeah, I think you get quite a bit on epidemic sound. So that'd be good. But yeah, anyway, need to get a few bits done online. Wow, the wind's picking up a bit. I can definitely hear it outside there. See how windy the tree is. The tree is blowing around a lot now, actually. Have a quick look at this. Wow. That's getting very windy. I think my mum saw the weather forecast earlier. She said there was going to be a bit of a storm, like just wind, no rain or anything. But apparently it's going to get very windy. So hopefully nothing comes, no trees or anything comes down, because that would be a nightmare, especially that tree there. Because I think that would come down. I don't know how far it would come. I don't know if it would like take out our fence in the front bit of the house, or the back bit of the house. The back bit is an extension bit out of this window. So yeah, don't really know what will happen when that tree was to come down. Hopefully it won't, and it's been up there for years, but I just really hope that tree doesn't come down. Anyway, it's now 57 minutes past 4. I'm going to go and start dinner in a bit. come and start warming the oven up. I'm going to do southern fried chicken with chips and peas, I think. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to start doing the cooking of the dinner. Oh, so it's now coming up to 6:15. It's nearly 6:15. Well, it is basically. It's 14 minutes past. Just had dinner. Had southern fried chicken, chips, peas, bit of tomato sauce on it. Well, to dip in it, dip in the tomato sauce. And yeah, it was good. Quite full now though, so I'm gonna let my dinner settle and watch a bit of YouTube. It's got very windy now though as well. It's like howling. We could hear it howling down the street while I was eating dinner. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear it now, but yeah, the wind is really picking up. So hopefully it's not as strong as like winds in the past, so I'm not too worried about fences coming down or anything. But I don't think fences will come down. We've replaced a lot, quite well. I think we replaced all the panels, so they're strong now, because they've, like in the past, they've come down. We had to replace them. So I think the ones we've got in at the minute are strong enough to hold. It's just, I really hope that tree doesn't come down. I don't think it will. I think we'll be perfectly fine. I think it's just going to be overnight. Hopefully tomorrow the wind will ease down again. But yeah. Anyway, I'm going to let my dinner settle and watch some YouTube. So let's have a look at what the time is tonight. It's currently 52 minutes past 10. It's nearly 11 o'clock. Let's quickly see what Molly's up to. She's heard me say her name because she's now looking at me. She's just here. You're beautiful. She's been on the sofa for a while at the end of the videos recently. Hey. Good. So she's down there. She's watching something on the telly. I don't know what that is. But yeah, wasn't really much on telly tonight. Just watched the news and the Bay, the last episode of the Bay, which was quite good. But yeah, other than that, not really much to report. Might try and put together the intro tonight. If it's not tonight, I'll try and do it over the weekend. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to end today's video here. So don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you tomorrow at 6 PM. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.